Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful ideas and style design, new design crochet ideas, women's and girls fashion styles, different and latest styles, crochet designs and crochet ideas. Crochet design and crochet ideas, crochet dress, women fashion styles, looks, and different one fashion crochet jacket style, like beautiful styles, designs, and beautiful ideas for girls and women. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern and crochet designs. I can help you with crochet pattern. What kind of crochet pattern are you looking for? Please provide more details or specific a particular project have you mind have you have in mind, and project ideas. There are some ideas related to crochet shirts, and crocheting a shirt can be a more advanced and time consuming project, but the result can be truly stunning. Here are a basic overview of how to crochet a shirt. First, weight to lighter yarn in your chosen colors, and crochet hook size, depending on your yarn needles and buttons or clothes are optional. Determining your size and preferred fit, measure your breast, waist, and hips, and take note of your distressed length. Create a stretch to ensure your stitch tensions matches the pattern. So I hope you like it, my videos and my ideas. There are more ideas related to crochet pattern and more beautiful and different styles designing. Find a crochet shirt pattern that match your style and skill level. Pattern may be available in books, magazine, or online platform like Ravelry, or different latest ideas, designs, looks. So I hope you like it.